That's all I want to share for exporting a project in Photoshop. Bye. This is how to export a project in Premiere Pro. This will be my final tutorial for now because I have busier stuff to do. To export here, click File, move your mouse to Export, and then click Media, or hit the command Control M. And this timeline will be showing your full video project. Remember to export video, export audio, leave them checked, and I usually like to go with H.264. There are other options available like AV, H.264, Blu-ray, JPEG, but we're doing a video file, so leave it here. Then click Export down here, export immediately with the current settings. And this is running the required audio files and encoding the project. It's usually spelt like 12 et imopers inu igor because the original file was 60 FPS and I usually like to start with it due to its 60 FPS. We have the estimated remaining time. The blue bar is rising. Your video was exported successfully. Then type the video and you'll find it right here. I'm going to rename this to Hackworth's editing exporting images Photoshop Monday. I will be uploading this video to YouTube later. That's all I want to share for exporting in Premiere Pro, and that's all I want to share, period, for now. Bye.